Okay, internet people, you know the drill with the Colorado touchscreen. No doubt you've all had some experience on some of the older ones, had them replaced by under warranty or done it yourselves. So here we go. I'm going to do mine today. So we'll let you know how we get on. So this is it. AliExpress. Took about I don't know, a week or two to come from China to my address in New Zealand, and it cost me just a smidge over 40 New Zealand dollars delivered. So worth a crack to see how it goes, and yeah, it will be interesting to see what happens, if it's successful or not. Having not pulled this to bits before, these little vent bezels just pop off by the look of it, and you've got some small bolts down there. So I'll get on with the other side and see how we go. Righto, so the front centre console has been removed. What we've got here is those little fascia bolts. They're 7mm, so you've got 4 of those, and then you've got clips around the fascia. You can see 1, 2, and then come around the edge. You've got 3, 4 on the each side, and then you've got 5, 6 along the top, and you can see where they all basically clip in around there into the dash. So you just got to be gentle and pry those out, and they do come. You just got to give it a little bit of positive reinforcement. So yeah, look, I'm just going to unplug now and move into the workbench and start dismantling the screen out of the center console. See you soon. Righto, so we're on the workbench. So I've taken the back cover off, so you just got to undo all of those Torx screws to get that off. Then I've just used these plastic trim removers to gently pry open the clips and undo the tape connections for the circuit board, and then we can get the screen out. There we go. Look at that. Next step. So we've got to get the glass touchscreen off the frame here. So I believe that is a matter of cutting down through between the glass and the metal frame, and I have just put a nice new sharp blade into my knife there. So I'm going to give that a go, and hopefully it's all going to just nicely peel down, peel down, and then we can start the process of putting the new one on. First of all, I've just done a test fit of the new one just to sit over top of the old one. Bonus, it's the right size at least, and the tab is in the correct place as the original. So thumbs up. Okay, I don't know if that's how it's meant to go or not, but jeepers, that was challenging. Maybe I should have heated it. I don't know, just to loosen up the factory glue. However, it's off. Now I'm going to go around and take all of that off, taking care of my actual screen and behind there as well. So clean up time, vacuum up time. I'd suggest you wear a glove on the hand that you're holding with. Otherwise, if you slip, you know where that blade is going to go. That's generally the experience. Well, the good thing about this part too, I've noticed, is that it's got basically a line of sticky tape around the edges, so it's peel and stick. So I've just taken the inside protective coating off. Remember to peel those off before you stick it on. So I'll pull off that tape and then we'll place it over, stick it down. Then we're ready to basically put it all back together and put it back in the car for a test. So now that I've taken the protective peel off the inside and now taken the sticky tape off, look at this. Look at that. Thanks, New Zealand Post. I didn't realise that with all the plastic coating on and everything like that, but it's got a broken corner. Yeah, so that's pretty darn annoying. I'm going to put this in anyway, and hope for the best. If not, well, I can try another 40 bucks, can't I, to get another one here. So dang it. Okay, so there you go, it is stuck on. I have noticed too that this corner is slightly damaged as well. I promise you that wasn't me. I have been so careful with this to get it to this point and had this wrapped and set aside ready. Anyway, it's on, so put it back together. I'm just basically giving you a shot of, because I don't have a camera stand, it's just on my phone and I'm mucking around, but just giving you a shot of yeah, step by step, everything back in place, ribbons in. They've got little clips on these ribbons, ribbon pin holders that you've got to you know, push down, little push down tabs just to lock everything in place. Well, here you go, it's in, it's back in the center console fascia. The cracked portion of that corner that I pointed out from the back is actually up there. You can just see it. I don't know how it's going to affect the use of the screen or anything at this point. Won't know that until it's plugged in. I shouldn't blame New Zealand Post, that's a bit harsh. It has come from China directly, so who knows how it's been handled in between times. New Zealand Post, you know, you do okay. Support the home team. We'll blame the others. Right, here we go. We'll power up and see what we've got. Okay. Okay. Good. Nice. It's bringing the map up, connecting. Everything's connecting. Does. If I go to home now, can I use my touch screen? Oh my gosh, I've never been able to do that ever. Unbelievable. Let's go home again. Phone. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Never been able to do that. Okay, I would say that is problem solved. It works. The little cracked portion of the screen is up in there. You can hardly even see it. I am a little bit OCD, I'll admit, but I'm not going to worry about that at all, because there's plenty of other things wrong with this thing, this ute anyway, so that's the least of my worries now. I've got to go and pull some dents out. I'm going to tidy this up, put it all back together. Happy days. Hope that's useful. Cheers.